Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Okay, let's have a look at how the market is going to play out in the next coming session. So we'll look at how we have been focusing the market over the last couple of days, how it is playing out, and what we expect going forward. What is the next move on the cryptocurrencies? Do we get new highs or do we get pullbacks? That's what we're going to be looking at there. Right, before we get started, guys, our next course starts on the 6th of September. It is an ELLIOTTWAVE principal course. So as I keep saying, the ELLIOTTWAVE strategy can be applied in any market, cryptocurrency market, indexes, forex market, stocks, you name it. So if you learn the ELLIOTTWAVE theory, you should be able to apply it in the cryptocurrency market very accurately, as you've seen over time that our analysis is usually on point. Right, so let's get started with the analysis. Our contact details, you'll find them under the description of all our videos. Check them out on our channel. You'll find the link to our website, that is the ELLIOTTWAVEprinciple.com. Please note, that we've got a current special running. Let's just check here how many days left. So you can inquire about the special if you are not clear on the global chart. My chart is just loading here. So you can make inquiries around here on the global chart. We've got a 20% off on the course starting on the 6th of September. Right, so the course is 10 days as I've indicated. You will get the recorded version as soon as you make a purchase on the website. Right, let's get started with the analysis for this week. Let's have a look at the chart, our daily chart for our members. So this is the chart from the 22nd of June. This is a daily chart. I have shown the long-term view previously on All right, so this is Bitcoin. Let's have a look at how this is playing out. I want to look at just the last leg here. Let's have a look at this leg. So we've got here the super cycle degree. I've shown this before. I'm not going to show the whole chart, but I want you to see the leg that is on the screen. So we've seen the super cycle wave 1. This was the highs in 2018 at 20,000. We've made a correction since then to give us the wave 2 here in purple. So as you can see here on the screen, we don't even have a wave 3 in purple degree inside. That means we're still looking for that to push much higher. Right, so what we have here is a cycle degree in white as follows. We've gone here to retest about the 50% of the move from the 2018 highs. This was 50% retracement here. Okay, so you can call it 50%. Then we'll get that pullback here in wave 2. We are currently assuming that we have completed a wave 3 here and that the current crash from the beginning of May was a 3-wave pullback in the blue degree as follows: 1, 2, 3, and we're now assuming that we are going for that wave 5 here in the white degree. So this is where we're expecting this to go. Okay, so as we're expecting that, that means lower than the white degree, we expect to start having a 5-wave move here in the lower degree to go for that wave 5. Now remember that wave 5 is only the cycle degree. As I indicated, you don't see any wave 3 in sight. I'm just going to roll right out of screen here. So that means we're still going to see more upside, but this does not come in a straight line. We may get some deeper pullbacks along the way. So let's have a look here. So this could be the start of a wave 1 here in these degrees. Let's show you it here on the blue again. So the blue will be giving us a structure like this. What we're seeing currently, the current move to the upside could be 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have here 5 waves in the lower degree as follows. So under the blue, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to look at this move to the upside and see if we're still getting continuation to the upside, and if we're going to get a deeper pullback. So let's have a look here at Bitcoin and what is happening currently. So I'm going to go now into the 4-hour. That is the move to the upside that you've been seeing here in blue. So do we push to the upside from current levels? So let's have a look at the current structure. What are we getting? Do we get continuation to the upside? Last week, we saw these 4-hour corrective structures. We saw these 4-hour setups for continuation to the upside. Now, what we're seeing here looks like we're getting another pullback for more upside. So we can only confirm new recent highs here after we break the top here. after we've broken this top here, because if we don't break that top, there's a possibility for this either comes down in 3 waves or an impulse before we push to the upside. Now that would be an A, B, C corrective structure before we push to the upside. So this is where we are with Bitcoin. But another alternative here is that we've got this as 3, we've got this one as 3, and we get this 1, 2, 3 back here before we make a move to the upside. So we are waiting for that confirmation at current levels, at current corrective structure on Bitcoin. So do not rush it here. You need to wait for a clear confirmation of the completion of this corrective structure, and that's what we're going to be looking to trade here. Ethereum, similar structure. I'm now going to look at just the lower degrees, but maybe I can just show you the bigger structure here on Ethereum as well. So Ethereum, the crash from May, we are seeing it also as a wave 4 in the cycle degree as follows. That is a 3-wave structure here. Let's show the 3 waves clearly. 1, 2, 3, Ethereum. We've started a pulsing move here, just like the Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethereum's 5 waves to the upside are a lot clearer than what we're seeing on Bitcoin. So we've got this one here, looking like 1, 2, 3. No, that I need to change the degrees here. I need to change the degrees. Let's do this. So the pullback here will be the 3 waves in the cycle degree that you see there. You'll see that the cycle degree, this is a wave 2, and we are looking at this one to be a wave 3 there. Now, this cycle degree in white should be giving us the wave, the 5th wave here. Let's draw it cleanly. We should be going for the wave 5. Now, if we're going for the wave 5, that means under the cycle degree, we've got the primary degree as follows. Any pullback that we're going to get on Ethereum will be giving us the wave 4 in blue. Okay, in yellow actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if those are 5 waves in that yellow degree, that means the primary degree, because that is the intermediate, the primary degree will still push to the upside. We're still going to get a pullback. We're going to get 5 waves to the upside. So now we are currently here. We are looking for this to correct at current levels and give us the next leg to the upside. Let's go look at that structure here on Ethereum. So this is where we are. Last week we saw this 3 waves pullback, and we expected this to make a move to the upside. We just made a leg up higher. We did not really go up. So what we're seeing here is another pullback here, which could do this again. So we're sideways here, guys. There's no impulse, so you don't want to trade here before we get the confirmation. Let's watch these structures build before we get involved here. So still consolidating at current levels. This is a sideways move on Ethereum, but we are eventually looking for this to continue to the upside. We're not done with the move to the upside. We're still going to expect this one to push further up higher. All right, so that is Ethereum. Now let's look at that Litecoin. Looking at Litecoin, similar structure, but Litecoin is making a flat on the 4-hour. It's running flat as follows: 1, 2, 3. That is a running flat. We'll look for this to continue to the upside. What we're seeing here is only a 3-wave structure. We may not be ready for a move to the upside. So let's just watch this for now. We may get this one here doing that. But let's see this. Let's see here. This could be the top here, and we can get this one. The orthodox top could be here, and we get this as 3, 3 down here before we get a leg to the upside. That's why we need to wait here. We do not need to rush here. We need to wait for more data to build around current levels. The overall bias is to the upside. Ripple. Now, Ripple will look for this to push a little bit lower into the blue box. We did not quite reach the blue box before the reversal. So this is the structure that we had last week. We're looking for this one to push a little bit lower here before we push to the upside, but we have instead pushed up from current levels. There's still a possibility that Ripple can give us a structure like this. And we have this one as 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. So let's wait for this. We could still be getting here. We could get a blue box set up here to take Ripple up higher. Dogecoin. Similarly, on Dogecoin has actually reached the blue box, interestingly. So we've got this as a 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and the 3 waves down here on Dogecoin. We'll be looking for this one to start giving us continuation patterns for more upside. So that's how interesting Dogecoin is. Are we now going to see 50% being retested again on Dogecoin? It's going to be interesting to see that. ADA has made its 3-wave structure already. So this was the 4-hour setup that we saw last week on ADA, an impulsive move, corrective structure here. We still expect this to continue up higher. Okay, so that is ADA. Let's have a look at which one else can we do here? Binance. Let's have a look at Binance. So you'll see that all of them have got similar structures. So we're not going to go necessarily on all the cryptocurrencies. They're all going together. Binance is going sideways as well. So you can see we've got this one as an impulsive move to the downside. We're starting to get a move to the upside here as follows. We can test the top here and make a pullback here as follows. We can get a move to around here as follows. So we need to confirm that these corrective structures are done and we're going to get the next leg up higher. Okay, so that's what we're going to be expecting there on Binance. And lastly, let's have a look at Link. What are we getting on Link? So Link has also come down onto the blue box with three-wave pullback here, textbook three-wave pullback here on Link. We've made a passing move to the upside. Now we look for this one to give us continuation patterns for more upside. So let's wait for a bit of a consolidation around that level and more upside. That's all I have for you this week, guys. Check us out again next week. And if you like what we do, please drop us a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Please hit that bell notification button as well, so that you can get a notification the next time we upload a video. We appreciate your feedback as well. So drop us a comment, share your chats. We'll also give our input and our views. Have a great week, everybody. Trade responsibly. Cheers. Bye-bye.